Hey, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Boy, what a rough morning it has been. Let's see if we can make it a little bit better this evening or this afternoon. Hot mess. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. Now, if you're still looking for a pullback, I do like the options market data. The options flow is not that bullish, but what's going to be a catalyst to get the markets going down? We got to ask yourself, is it time just to capitulate and go for the highs, or do we get a pullback? I like this area on the ES, but man, we're just not pulling back. So 75, 44, 38, 34, and then maybe down here towards 23. That might be asking a little bit too much though. Might be. We might just have to hold our nose and try to hit the highs. Hey, Spaces, what's up? 38% retracement of the move from the low to the high is going to be right around 33. Yeah, we'll see. We shall see if we get the pullback or not. Iran has exported oil. Let's just make sure we don't have anybody. We don't have Trump speaking, do we? Let's look. Make sure. I doubt it. Yeah, we should be free of any speakers. So other than any unexpected news items hitting the tape, we should be good. We should be good. Yeah, why is this? There we go. I had to scale up. I was having a hard time reading the screen. Hey, trans family, what's up? Good afternoon. Yeah, I remember though, afternoon tends to be a lot slower than the morning. So unless we can get, Orange Man to come out and say something. If anybody has his number, give him a call. Tell him Mike needs some help. Push this market down here a little bit. We never hit my target I was aiming for this morning. We're on the NASDAQ, the minus development area right here, which not looking so hot for that we're going to test that level. Looks like I may have just read it wrong this morning. We had one little pullback right here, basically one candle pullback. That was it. That was it. So I hear him chirping still on the tape. Chirp, 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 chirp. We're gonna probably try to run it up, take out the highs. So with that, maybe it's time to quit fighting it, just join them. Don't want to film me. Dang it. So I tried to go long, didn't want to film me. Trying to get long there. 50% retracement coming soon. Not soon enough. You see the regression channel sloping downward, but we're trying to break out of it. Pull back to EMAs. I might look for a little long. We do have some liquidity still up here at 600. That level was there earlier as well. So. See if I can get a little scalp. Crap, I'm trying to go green to red again. Hopefully not. I was wanting to pull back to EMAs and then wasn't pulling back, so I FOMO'd in. Probably gonna regret that. And if you do look, we did get above the 1 day max right there at it. ES did not make it there yet. So ES still has a little bit further to go, which might try to run up there and get it. Yes, breaking out above the upper regression channel as well. So we shall see. Just taking dividend payouts. Nice. It's better than giving donations back to the market makers. Elevated Life. What's up? What's up? I've taken very few long trades today. Hence why I struggled so much. It's had that zone in my head, which we never hit. So, come on, you sucker. Man, green to red this morning. Green to red again. I appreciate using the code, but I'd rather hear you guys pass it and getting payouts. That would make me happier. And the question is, are they going to run it at the end of the day? I'm going to pay attention to the charm. We get in the last hour. We'll see how this is going to shape up. This chart becomes more relevant the last hour of the day. So we still got a little while to go. Yeah, it makes you guys happier too. See, everybody gets happier. The prop firms maybe not as happy, but so bad I want to smack it. Let's go look at something real quick. $455 could be a logical target, but I can't buy it as we're already pulling back. Or sell it, should I say. Screw it. Let's see if we get filled. There we go. I'm going to try to run it down to 455-ish. Right here on the edge. 450-ish. See if I can take it down there. That does. I would make for a great day. Yeah, tacos for lunch. Oh, man. Taco sounds so good. So good. I could go for a good taco right now. Just not a Trump taco. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more. Let's go. Let's go. Please. I said please. Hey, Adam, what's up? I might be overstaying my welcome. Short term, we got to be oversold. I really want that 450-ish. Hope I don't regret it. Hope I don't regret it. Again, that 450 is coming off the volume profile right here. Actually, I'm going to highlight this area. That's where I really want to take it to. Hopefully I don't regret not taking profit while I had it. Profit, and we came into being short-term oversold. I regret that. And we're below the lower regression channel. Oh, man. I think I made another mistake. I just closed it. Closed it before it got me. That one hurts. I was up 3 something on the trade. Didn't take it. Got greedy. Think about that level down there. Just like this morning. Got me. Smacked me. Dang it. Still have the regression channel sloping downward. We're back at the upper part of the regression channel. Ugh. I might end up with a red day today. Get it from... Hey, Boss Dog. So one of the trips to Costa Rica, one of my friends over there, we caught a red snapper and took it to his grandma's house. And she cooked it up good. We had fish tacos. She had homemade tortillas. Oh man, it's so good. She had a rolling pin that had been passed down through the family, made out of old volcanic rock. That thing was heavy. I don't know how the lady could pick it up. It was delicious. I felt like her kitchen was bigger than the whole house because she had an outdoor kitchen where she cooked. They didn't have a kitchen in the house. Quick move down. Whoop. Equally right back up. Maybe I'll take another swing at it. Take another swing, try to play down that zone. If I can get a trade down that zone, man, that would make up for all the badness today. That'd make up for all of it. Just doesn't seem to want to come down yet. So we gotta hurry up and wait. I'll probably take another swing at it. And we'll see how bad that gets me. So you guys thinking long or short? What do you guys think? Long or short? We gonna rip through the highs? Let's do a pull real quick. All right, is the high in for the day? What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Just put the poll into the chat. Sure, but you've been wrong all day. Yeah, me too. You're not alone. So yes, they're trying to go up. We're gonna see. Do we end up getting a little pushback or not? I wish it would dump. Well, wait, let me get in, then dump. Hey, Sam, probably smart you're not trading because it has not been kind to me. And that last trade I was up $300 and something on. I ended up closing it out for a loss. I really want that zone down there, 450-ish. And if I can get it, it would make up for all the bad today. But I don't know if the market's going to participate with me. Yeah. Well, I was up on, there's a couple trades I was up decent on, and I tried to go for a little bit too much and it smacked me. But this one right here, I was up almost $400 and ended up getting out for a loss. I knew we came into being oversold. I was like, nah, I want to get the zone down there. 736 top on the Qs. Let's go look at the Qs real quick. Look at the VIX. VIX down 6%. I don't know. It kind of looks like we want all-time highs again, to be honest with you. All right, here's a low, higher low. We have lower highs for the time being. But we'll see if that changes. Holiday week usually ends up being a little bit more bullish than bearish around the holidays. So don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, smash that lucky like button. That like goes a long ways. Been a great day for you so far. Oh, congrats. Hey, Raj, momentum to the upside or downside? I might not want to know. Yeah, end of the month, window dressing. Yeah. The downside? Oh, man. Hopefully don't stop me out before the momentum picks up. Hopefully I can jump on board. Participate. Because I already went green to red again. My third time green to red throughout the day. I ended last night on a losing trade too. And the ES never hit 1 day max. Yeah, before Friday. I was hoping to get a little pullback before that. Yeah, Sam, I agree. Hard to be bearish with the VIX down 6%, but here I am. I've rationed myself. It's just a little move. Just trying to get down towards this little area right here. We had 2 zones. My first one today, we came close. We came close getting in it. We never did. Then ripped right back out. So, yeah, tomorrow's a new month. I'm short right now at the moment. I've already taken, it's my 3rd trade, and the first 2 were losers. So, but I really want to take it all the way. What I really want, I don't care. The market doesn't care about what I want, but come into that minus development area of the profile right up in here. So 450s, 460s. I just don't know if we make it down there. I was hoping for a quick down there and then goes up. Hey, no worries. What's up? That was the first afternoon stream I've done in, I don't know, quite a while. Yeah, T-Cube, they opened the door when they bought that back. I just can't get the momentum to the downside. I even went long. My first trade was a long this afternoon. Got stopped out. I did FOMO into it, though. I FOMO'd into it. So, I mean, I deserve what I got. But the next trade, I just overstayed my welcome. It's up almost $400 on it. Got out before my stop loss was hit, but ended up with a loss anyways. Now, we talked about the options flow was going down. It's trying to come back up now. So looking to be bearish. It's not supporting what I want to see it do. Someone needs to go tell Barron Trump, though. Put on a big short position and tell his daddy to help him out. So we can get this market moving down to my target. You know, short should be coming, but it'll probably go down once I give up on the short idea. And what the funny part is, I wanted to be long today, but I wanted a pullback before I got long. We never got the pullback. So here we are. And at 4 o'clock, once the bell rings, the market's closed. I'm gonna go over the volume profile levels that we can use for tonight and tomorrow morning. So if you guys want to hang around, we'll go through that. Yeah, maybe closer to 3 p.m. I don't know, man. I got a sneaky suspicion we're gonna rip the highs again. Yeah, I'm going to trade all the way till the close. Then after 4, we'll go to the volume profile levels for tomorrow. Take a look at gold, oil, all that fun stuff. Almost feel like I should just take the $50 that was up. Because you look, as we push down, here's a low, higher low. Higher low. I haven't, so it slowed down at night a little bit, so I quit streaming it on the second channel. Closed it. Makes it tough streaming when the market's not open and a lot of people weren't on the stream either, so it makes it even harder. The stream. So All right, so if we're gonna pop up, all right, if we flip this regression channel, I'm just gonna get long. If we can flip that regression channel going back up, I'll have to go with longs back towards the high of the day. Because obviously the market's not wanting to go down. And look, NASDAQ's above the 1-day max. I say it all the time. Don't short above the 1-day max. Otherwise you end up with pain like I've been dealing with. Yes, it's not quite at the 1-day max yet. We did get above call resistance, but 1-day max is up here at 69-ish. Hear a whole lot of chirping. Whole lot of chirping, not a whole lot of movement yet. I gotta be careful. I want to dig the hole too big today, because I feel like I'm running against the clock. You know, got an hour and 40 minutes and then done. So I want to dig the hole too deep where I can't get out of it within the next hour and 40 minutes. All right, we slightly have the regression channel sloping upward. Ever so slightly, but it is sloping upward. Yes, it's sloping upward. You can see session high right there. Probably gonna go run and get it. 524 is key. Hey, Rod, you'll probably breach it as soon as I go long here. I go long, then pew, takes off. All right, we do have liquidity at 600, which is above the session high. Session high is at 562. So low rider by war. Oh boy. And that options flow is getting more bullish. See the hero indicator is really ripping up that line right here. It might be getting ready to rip this. Move my target a little bit closer to the high of the day. Where's the ES at? The sooner you get behind, the more time you'll have to catch up. That's one way to look at it. I'd rather have to not even play catch up. I went green to red 3 times today now. Last night, the last trade of the night last night was a loser for me. So I was up over 1K last night until the last trade. Finished up 7 something for the night. Let's go look at the heat map real quick. So AMD is a beast. Oh, wow. 7%. Wow. Wow. Intel's up 6.6. Clack up 8.35. Oh, man. What's SMH? Yeah, look, SMH is trying to get in that gap. Not that far from all-time highs. Oh, boy. Anyway, you know what's funny is if we look at the sectors, we actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sectors in the red. I can't win. I go long, comes back. I go short. Now, it kind of is my fault because I was up pretty good on that one short, but I was like, nah, I want more. I got greedy. Got greedy and paid for it. Michael Saylor is getting smoked right now. Actually, let's see where Bitcoin's at right now. That's off the low a little bit. Just closed it. Fire. Go long goes down. Good. Shorty goes up. Not really a fan of the price. Oh, it's not really the price's fault today. It's all my fault. So here's what derailed me this morning. I was looking for the market when we're coming down here, maybe come down towards that minus development area or the P point. And then I wanted to be long. I wanted to be long today. Then we started shooting up and I had this still stuck in my head. And that's where I made the boo-boo today. Then once I locked in on it, I couldn't shake it. I just kept on at it and kept on and kept on and kept on. So is what it is. I'm kind of curious. I was like, are we going to go back and take the highs? Probably. We're closer to the high than not. So I'm going to close out that poll. See how many of you guys voted in the poll. So 60 votes. 58% said the high is in for the day. 42% say no. Let's hope I don't regret this. I mean, the good news is, bad news is we have a short week this week. But so Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday morning to, get revenge on the markets from today. 580, then 620, then 700. Wait, hopefully your Gex chart is wrong. At least while I'm short. Yeah, Sox is getting smoked. Hey, so the Sox is having a split coming up. SOXS. It's at $3.27. It has a split coming up on July 15th. Right here. July 15th. If you look in the past, I mean, look how much has been up. If you look at all this split adjusted price. Oh, man. Now, I don't know if I'm going to win this trade or not. Been long and short. Today might end up being a red day for me. And it's all my fault. All right, someone got to get Trump upset so he can go tweet something out there for me while I'm short. I think that's the only thing that can save me at this point. Yeah, I went long, got out, got lost. And I went long twice already this afternoon. Since in the last 30 minutes. First trade was a long, didn't work out. So then I said, all right, I'm going back short. Short, that didn't work out. I haven't had a winning trade yet. So. Not for the afternoon session anyways. So, it is what it is. Now watch it just chop. Just stay here and chop the rest of the day. One last push through the session highs, maybe. Oh, hey, please do. Hurry up and text him. And ask him if he could be on time, like before 4 o'clock, or before I get stopped out of this trade. We have oil down at $1.21 right now. Yeah, we do have the point of control up here now. Point of control is flipped up here. Now we'll see if we can start coming down below that. Get all the buyers up there trapped. Oh man, I need to take it. Take a widescreen. Problem is I'm down too much. Look, here's the zone. I still like the zone, but I don't know if we're going to make it. Nor do I know if I can hold it all the way down here. 457-ish, 458, 460. If I could, it'd make up for all the bad. I'd love to see it just barrel down, but we'll see. We shall see. I'll put my target at 470. Just in case we get something crazy. That would make for a good day still. I'd be very happy if that target hit. And I'd be like, yes. I just don't think we're going to make it down there very quickly, if at all. I'd be a little fake and then rip back through the highs. The bank. No, I didn't even look at XLF today. Speaking of banks. VIX is trying to go up here a little bit. It's got a consolidation up here in financials. Hey, Mecha Noble. Hey, I tried to put you in the duck race earlier, and you weren't on the stream. We did a duck race. Oh, man, this is brutal. Hey, we have the first band right there in that zone down there, too. Stupid full-time job. Well, I mean, full-time jobs are good, too. At least then you have money coming in. Like on days like this. So here's the zone. Here's that first band. Here's VWAP, the white line. Here's the first band right in that zone that we identified. Where I really want to try to take this down to. So I don't know if we're going to get it. Don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, smash that lucky like button. It's not too late. You just exited the short, we're going to drop. Nah, I'm going to hold the market up. My short's going to hold it up. Hey, Kensington. See you later. My short will hold the market up. It will stop it from going down. Oh, we can't let it make any money on this trade. Small stumble. Maybe every time I see green, I just need to close it. I don't know. Let's go look at Tesla real quick. Tesla's having a pretty good day today, up 1.72%. Get clear above that area. I don't know if we get there today, but I do like this for a target at 427. I don't know about for today. Maybe it's tomorrow, but $440. Let's get it. Market wants to go down to 470. I'll gladly get out at 470. Wants to go to 440. I'll get out at 470. Leave the rest on the table. I'll be fine with that. It's not a sneaky suspicion. It's not gonna give it to me that easily. Yes, try and go back up here and chirping. Oh boy. Don't come below 213. You're holding until tomorrow. What time is it? 2:35. Got that Jeopardy in my head. Do 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 do. Doop boo doop boop. Like I'm short and the regression channel is going up. Fantastic. See the high today, not too far above us. Close it. Bull's getting down day is getting a little bit bigger. Not really a fan of that. You gotta be kidding me. I stop myself out, then it turns. Fantastic. I still think it wants to go down there, but man, I don't want to make it worse. I need to start taking this tight little chop, $50 pops. $50, $50, $50, $50. I've been up $50 on at least, I think, every one of my trades this afternoon. That's a fact. We do have that liquidity at 600 too. Kind of scares me. Might try to push up towards that area. Golly. I should not have traded today. Every time I get out, the market turns. Yeah, it's all the VIX trying to creep up here a little bit. VIX is trying to, but I don't know. All I gotta do is short the market. I'll stop any chance of the market going down. See what happens at 3. VIX already starting to get a little wick right there. Probably go back down, take out the lows. Bitcoin's trying to go back down. What's the dollar doing? And Yeah, 10-year yields up here near the highs of the session. Now I feel like I got to get it back mode. It's not good. To get it back is not good. Everybody's too bullish. Not everybody. I've been trying to short the market all day. Even my longs have been stopped out. It done me dirty. Let's go through the sectors. XLV trying to creep up. Right back up. Nah, it'll be 3 o'clock, 3 to 4 o'clock. We'll see if we get some movement. Probably go back out, bust the highs, I would assume. That is an assumption at this point. Hey, Eddie, good evening. So I haven't had one winning trade so far this afternoon. I was barely even up before we came on stream. Regression channel sloping up on the NASDAQ and ES. I keep wanting to short it. Idiot. Yeah, all that sideways is calls being built. Calls being built for what? To go up or down? You see it right here on the 5-minute. Push up, sideways. Probably gonna bust up. Yeah, I keep wanting to short it. It is what it is, though. So watch it go up without me. I don't want to make it worse. I'm at a point where I don't want to make my loss even worse. I'm already in a pretty good hole given the time of the day. If it was in the morning, it wouldn't be so bad. I mean, it still suck, but not as bad. Being this late in the day, I think we're just going to keep grinding. So we'll see which way we break out. Break out or break down? Just break it. Again, we have that liquidity up here on the NASDAQ 600. And session high is at 562. We're only 10 points, 11 points away from session high. Hey, it's cash value. Cash value is what passes. Let's see. Yes, push it yet. All right, yes, about to bust the highs. This is miserable. Hmm. Get a little pushback. So over here on the ES, we do have a little bit of liquidity here. We'll see if this will act as a little bit of resistance, push us back, or do we just fly through it? Go through it, come back, test that area of support, and then run. What's it going to be? I think I'm going to do aggressive. Let's look at the product market profile. I like the ES down to 75.44. Can we make it down here on the ES? 75.44. We're going to find out here in just a bit. About 15 minutes till the top of the hour. 75.44. Right there in that little zone. Ooh, we got a trade detector bubble right there on the ES. I'm about to put some micros on this. Put it on that zone. That way, if it rips, I can DCA into it. That's probably a smarter choice. Yeah, July 3rd will be half a day. So the stock market will be closed, but the futures markets will be open till 1. Last green planet on the chart. If we can get back below it, though, then maybe we can get some more selling, but we got to get below it. Yeah, hear how slow the market is this time of the day. Having to play catch up. Not good. As we're coming up to the last hour. Now we're going to push all the way up to his area up there, 75.10. Or do we drop back down to 74.85-ish? Huh. We're trading at 74.97 right now in the cash. Cash markets. For the SPX. Or for the S&P 500. We're right there near the high of the day on the NASDAQ. So, odds favor, we're going to bust that high. I haven't had one winning trade this afternoon yet. See if this will be it. Can this be the first winner of the day of the afternoon trading? I've been up on a lot of them, but yeah, there is an activation fee unless you purchase the account that has no activation with Apex. So if you go to Apex's website real quick, scroll on down. You see, I have EOD, and then you can buy the account with no activation. Those accounts do cost more money, though. They do cost more money. But once you pass, you don't have to pay the activation fee. Oh, man. Am I going to have a winning trade here? Oh, man. Say it ain't so. Let's go. Woohoo! One small win for mankind. Yes, took out the session highs. Yeah, new highs. Seen this rodeo too many times. NASDAQ new session highs. I just wish I would be participating with the move up. And on the ES, probably going that 1 day max, 68, 69. Another 8 points, 9 points. It's probably where it's going. Oh, trailing. Now we do have a little bit of delta divergence right here at the highs. You see the big delta there, less delta as we're coming up for a retest of those highs. Again, we have that 600 liquidity right up here. 600. I don't know. I've never traded with Trade Day. I know some people like them. I've never traded with them. So we have what? 27 more points. We get that 600 liquidity. We're just squeezing it now. Squeeze. We have the NASDAQ up 1.73%. Dow up 0.3. ES up 0.8. Russell up 0.57. Short term, we did get to be overbought with huge divergence. I did not take the trade. I got scared. I'll jump in late. Let's see if we can get down to a 200 EMA right here. Hope I don't overstate my welcome here. I had a series of losing trades. Maybe I can get a series of winners now. Maybe. Yeah, slow markets are more challenging for me. The longer you sit there and watch it go, beep, 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 like, should I? Dang it, I knew I should have got out. Oh, good job on the comeback. So you got back almost half your losses. I just keep digging deeper and deeper. Yeah, I'm not going for a big short here. I didn't know a little ABC pattern down. ABC target would be down here at 53 if we take out that swing low right there. Target would be 53. I'll call it 54. Round up nearest quarter point increment. We take out the swing high right here. That invalidates the potential pattern. Yeah, I should have shut off my platform a long time ago. I think when I started the afternoon stream, I think I was up 190-ish. Now I'm down. I was down as low as 7 something. I think I'm down 6 something now. EMA keeps going up. So not good at the moment. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, 2 wins. Still down for the day. Yeah, I wish I could say it feels good to be around right now, but I feel like crap. The way I've been trading today. This is garbage. Garbage. It's all good. Oh, of course. Now you're going to go down big. The time I don't look for a big freaking short, you're going to go down big. Problem with I kept looking for bigger moves. I still like the potential down towards this zone. 450s, 460s area. Right here, that minus development area here on the profile. But the market's not caring about what I like or don't like at the moment. Well, it's giving me a lot of what I don't like. We'll say that. But but that's part of it. It is what it is. Not what it's not. I'm kind of curious. I haven't looked at the fear and greed index. Where are we at now? At 31. So it closed yesterday at 27. We're at 31 now. VIX went down, took out the session lows. So VIX down 6.46% at the moment. Nah, this is two separate streams. I streamed this morning from about 8 till 12. Went and had lunch. Came back at 2. Wish I would have stayed at lunch. But it is what it is. I should have took a nap. I should have took a nap myself. That's pretty good. Pretty good little rip down. When you come roaring right back up. Yeah, 30-point drop from the high down here, roughly down to that low. Yeah, I didn't trade good this morning either. I found myself on the wrong side. I was looking for a pullback, and then I wanted to get long. That's the funny part. I wanted to be long today, and I've taken I've been pretty much, most of my trades have been to the sell side. So it's really no surprise I've had a hard time this morning and this afternoon. You know, do stupid things happen. I really feel like the markets want to get all-time highs again, which I'm kind of curious. What about the Dow? How far away is the Dow from all-time highs? It's not very far. IWM is even closer to all-time highs. SPY, Qs. All right, SPY today is up 0.84% with RSP equal weight SP 500 only up 0.11. Wow, that's a big telltale. So even though we have the indices up pretty good today, RSP is barely up. Equal weight SP 500. Barely up. It's a 50 and 200 EMA on a Ninja Renko chart. If you don't have the Ninja Renko, you can download it for free. Nightbot will post a link for it. I'll show you where it is here in a moment. All right, so if you click that link Nightbot just posted, it'll take you over here. I have no affiliations with them. I just use their product. But right here, this is the one I use. It's free. Price for perfection. So. Yeah, tech pretty green. SMH having a good day today. Dang it, I'm trying to get short. Did not want to fill me. Maybe that's a blessing, maybe not. Let me get a little flush down here. Can we get a little flush? I get those lower targets out of my head. The sickness today. I closed it out. Thanks. See the green line up here. High of the day. I'm probably going to run back up there and get it. Yeah, 600 is accepted. It probably will, Moon. 600 is that big liquidity. We're up to 222 contracts sitting there now. So it'll be pretty big. Quite large. If you guys haven't yet, smash the lucky like button, please. I hear him chirping up. There's a chirping back up. Yeah, end of the month can be annoying. Well, at least if you're on the wrong side. If you're long all day, it's a great day. Today's a great day if you're long. I was not. Decided to fight the market, and the market's teaching me a little lesson. Market's like, you should have known better. And like I said earlier, even on the stream this morning, I talked about I want to see the market flush down towards the P point, maybe that low volume node. And then I wanted to get long for a move up. We never got the flush down. I just kept shorting the market. Dumb. Dumb. I had part of the plan right, but not all of it. In trading, you have to have the whole thing right. Otherwise, it's a little ugly. Now it's already after 3 o'clock, so we got an hour. I got an hour to get back. Might have to end up with a red day today. We'll see. We'll see how big of a red day it gets. Usually I don't have small red days. Usually I'm barely down or I'm down a whole lot. And I fight and try to get it back and just doesn't work. So I'm trying to be mindful of that. I like big wild swings in the market. I don't like the just grind days where just whoop, doot, 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 doot. That's not fun. Yep, market only goes up. Especially when I'm short. Yeah, 600 points without any dips. Be careful. I found myself wanting to almost just smash the sell button again. But yeah, I know we're trying to hit that. They're trying to grab those orders over there at 600. I feel like they're trying to grab these orders. Right there. And I keep finding myself wanting to short the market. All right, look at the options. Look at the charm pressure. So here's all the red right here. We have a call wall right there. Should come back down to 74.90, which on the S&P, I can't read what price we're at right now. We're at 7,500. So another 10-point drop. It's not much. 10 points is not much. We should get somewhere in that zone. We'll see how this gets closer to the end of the day, but right down here or pop up in between these two up here. Between these two reds. I'm favoring more of a pop down, push down to in between them, but We'll see. Yeah, it's free to download. Nizarenko is free to download. Hey, it's no problem asking questions. The only dumb question is a question that is not asked. So if you don't know, it's a great time to ask. Hey, not a problem. Come on. So close to pushing the button. So close, so close. I'm sitting there watching. So if I didn't have the countdown to the end of the session in my head, probably would have smashed the button. Now, wrong, right, or indifferent. Here we are. I should take it while I see green. Spy double top. Stupid market. Stupid market. It's kind of funny, but not really. See if it pushes the high one more time. I think Dow's off the high here a little bit. Not much. Tomorrow tank? I don't know. We might not tank tomorrow. No more going down. We're on the path to all-time highs. Can't stop, won't stop. Permanent short squeeze. That's what it feels like. It's definitely what it feels like. Feels like the market's not allowed to go down. I mean, the good news, at least I'm helping the market makers feed their families. That's, I'm doing my good deed, helping them out. Helping out the market makers. Today's a bull trap, maybe. I don't know, man. I think the ES is pushing through the highs. New highs on the ES. Here goes the NASDAQ new highs. Yesterday was a bear trap. I don't know who's right. Today a bull trap. Yesterday bear trap. Both could be right. Hey, look at the ES. ES is trying to get to that 1 day max. Not there yet. It's trying to get there. NASDAQ's already over it. NASDAQ's the overachiever. So. We got last FEG on the 15-minute. Speaking of FEGs, what do you have on the way up? We have quite a bit. One way down here. We have quite a bit of FEGs on the way up too. Tomorrow we come down and take them out. Feeling the stress of the clock running out. The green line cross. How about right here? This green line right there. Iran's meetings today. They're saying the cost, the free passage of the Straits is only for 60 days. Oh, it's just the high today. It's the, hold on a second. I'll tell you what the indicator is called. Let me get out of this trade. Dang it. It's called current day OHL. So the green line represents the high of the day. Every time you make a new high, it goes up higher. And you have a red line for the low of the day, and the yellow line right here would be the opening price. It's a free indicator inside Ninja. Usually, like when I'm on my game, if I see the high of the day in my line of sight with the normal scaling of the chart, I should be aiming for that. Today, I'm just in sell mode, and yeah, I'm not a happy camper today, but it is what it is. You know, I'm responsible for the trades that I placed. So be it. We're really trying for that 600. I've been talking about that. But yeah, I keep trying to short it. So watch, I'll go long, we'll go down. Come on. It could be a spoof, but it's been out there for hours. So I think they're going to try to trade through it, but we'll see. Woohoo! Winning trade. One of very few of the day. Yeah, never short a dull market. That's a fact. That is a fact. Ridiculous. So ridiculous. So I think we have a drop coming on the SPX. So if we look at SPX real quick, right now it's trading at 75.05. But if we look at the highest gamma exposure to the sell side, it's gonna be right here at 74.95. That's about a 10-point drop. That would put us on the other side of that red. So I think at some point we're gonna come back down towards that area. Just not yet. Oh, you guys can't see my chart. All right, decided to give the market another donation. All the money you made today was shorting? Oh, congrats on that. Not me. Like, I know we're gonna hit that 600. I keep fighting it. Yeah, I could have made a lot more the other way. Well, you know, if the market would have participated with me first dead on this morning, got the pullback because I wanted to be long. I wanted to be long. We didn't get the pullback. I kept trying to short down to the pullback area. And yeah, I didn't let go of that narrative. And unfortunately, I've paid the price today. So is what it is. Some days you win, some days we lose. I had a couple of shorts I was up decent on and I didn't take profits. Looking for more and working on bar 9 right up here. Yeah, flip the chart upside down. Then I probably would have been going long all day. We flipped the chart upside down. Yeah, hindsight always looks easy. Always looks easy. Not so much. We're starting to build out a little bit of gamma up here, actually. We're starting to build a little bit of gamma out 75.10 on the SPX. Come on down. Just get it. Get it. Please, please. Hey, Paul, what's up? Hey, Paul, how'd you end up doing today? I'm red at the moment. I am red. I'm running out of time. The clock is ticking. 44 minutes left. Another payout secured. Congrats. Oh, man. I love hearing people do well. Wish I could join the party today. So. Look, God. Yeah, still ripping the highs too. One day in the books for payout 2, man. That's awesome. Yeah, I just wish I wouldn't have fought it today, Raj. Just fighting the markets. Dummy. It happens, so. 350 algo is going to come up in about 30 minutes. 33 minutes. Yeah, it happens. I mean, bad days do occur in trade. That's what everybody has to realize. Not every day is going to be a win. Oh. Yeah, I hit close right, I guess, right as I hit my stop loss. That's the second time today it did that. I usually close out my trade before my stop gets hit. I try to, and once again, it put me in a naked trade. We're coming right at that 600. Now, hey, what we want to watch is as we approach that 600, do we see that delta really climb? If so, we'll know if that liquidity is taken or if they pull it. Let's watch the delta as we come up towards it. Let's see. Push. Where's she gonna push now? Come on, don't just flush down without me. Don't you do it. I really want to be short, but I need my stop. I really want my stop up higher, but I know it might stop me out. So if it does, I'll give it another shot, but I really want my stop above the swing, but I don't want to increase the risk. It gets to be a slippery slope when you start moving your stop loss. That's not a revenge session yet, but tonight might be a different story. Tonight, I'm probably going to either have a really good night or a really bad night. Come on, you joker. Staying away from now. Yeah. I wish I would have stayed away today. I would have been better off. Unless we can get that big, massive meltdown to my target, but I don't see that taking place. I do not think we're going to do that by the end of the day, but we'll see. Yes, volume looks weak. I mean, it's been a slow grind up today. It hasn't been fast, furious. Yeah, I was doing good in Asia last night, and then the last trade of the night got me. I was up over 1K. I was trying to push it, then I got smacked on my last trade. I think I was only up 7 something. I gave all that back today plus some. No, we still have that order at 600, Paul. I still got that order there. Right here at 600. 224 contracts sitting here. Still there. Come on, play my jam. Let's pump it up. No, don't pump it up. Push it down. Come on, just hurry up. Yeah, dump it down. Stupid market. Yeah, drop it like it's hot for sure. I still don't know if it's gonna happen. I'm about to hit the eject button. Yes, approaching the regression channel. Oh, you said daily, didn't you? It's not the end of the quarter, but we do have window dressing at the end of the month. Yeah, white boy, what's up? What's up? New JPM collar trade, put it on today. Might have to have a talk with Jamie Dimon. I mean, you really messed up my plans for the day. Yeah, I guess it is end of the quarter, but I wasn't thinking about it like that. Because when I pay my taxes, they got it jacked up. So first 3 months is 1 quarter. Then the next 2 months, April and May, is 1 quarter. And June, July, August is a quarter. And then they got 4 months in the last quarter. Why, I have no idea, but come on, push it. Just drop it. Oh, hey, Jesse, what's up? At least you're out of your meeting. You get to watch the last, 30 minutes. I just keep digging myself further and further in the red. It's not good. Dollar strengthening. Well, hey, here's where I still think we're going. I still think the cash wants to come down to the 74.95 area. If we look at where the cash market is right now, we're at 75.04. So another 9 to 10 points lower on the S&P, but it's just not doing it yet. Yeah, market on close may be fun. Probably not for my trade. Nvidia straight up all day. Wait, we have a lot. There's a lot of big gainers out there today. AMD up 8%, Intel up 6.5%, ASML 5%, SanDisk up 10%, Nvidia up 2%, Apple up 2%. So we only have Meta and Amazon down out of the Mag 7, and we look at RSP. RSP is only up 0.08%. SPY's up 0.88%. So yeah, Nvidia is the largest weighting of the indices too, but we have a lot of green out there today. The big names, the ones that count. Let's see if we can get this pushed down here a little bit in the ES. Oh, you know, I haven't looked at the S. I haven't looked at SpaceX in a hot minute. SpaceX back at 170. Yeah, almost 200. It's not pushing it down for me. Market ruined July 7th. SpaceX at 80, buy it and forget it. Hey, Raj, I want it below 135. Below 135, I'm going to start looking at SpaceX. We're just chilling out up here. It really sucks when the market is being like this and I need to make up ground. $11 billion on the at 7,500. You can get the Ninjaringo bars for free. The regression channels are free. You can get the 9 count for free. EMAs are just a 250 EMA. And the Delta indicator down here is free. The trade detector bubbles are kind of free. If you trade with a prop firm that has NinjaTrader prop, you get access to the trade detector bubbles. So if you trade with Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, they all have NinjaTrader prop. So let's push it down. Yeah, I'm favoring the ES, dropping just a little bit. See if we get on the other side of this red. Really looking for 74.95. Coop says 7,500. I'm going to hope he's wrong this time. He's probably not, but yeah, always have a TPT account. Always. I love the Take Profit Trader accounts. I got to look at something. Come on down. Come on. You can do it. Usually I just do micros in the prop accounts. Minis, when you have a bad day, you blow up. Too much risk for what little bit of drawdown they give you. So my own personal account, I have 6 figures in my account. So I can trade minis in that account. Prop account, you get, depending on which account size you have, what, $2,000 to $4,500 of drawdown. So it's not a whole lot. Just in case Iran says F it. All right, still looking for a little bit more SPX. Let's see where we're at. SPX. Looking for 74.95. 74.95, so S&P about another 5 points lower. So that would put the ES at about 54. ES down at 54-ish. We'll see if we get it. Hey, Space, to see you later. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to go over the volume profile analysis after 4. So if you guys stay on the stream, we'll go through the levels and such. So, congrats, you guys. This did get us to 100 likes. 100 likes. I'm in the red. At least there's some good out there today. Let's see. Are we going to get it? Are we going to get it? Come on. Come on. Come on. Man, I'm going to be at the mercy of the 350 algo. Probably not going to be good. 350 algo is probably not going to be kind to me. Yeah, you know, trading minis isn't about when, you know, when things are good, minis are fine. It's when you have a bad day, when it gets bad. On an Apex account for a year, that's pretty good. Yeah, I really hope I get a little bit more in the green before the 350 algo comes to wreck me. Man, oh man. Yeah, I think I'm going to end up walking away today in the red. Pretty confident, but it is what it is. I don't want it, but I shouldn't have fought the market today. When you fight the market, oh, this is what happens. 350 algo about 16 minutes. Let's go see. All right, I said 74.95. We're at 99 right now on the SPX cash. I'm gonna close it. I took a little scalp on the ES. I chickened out though. We ended up with a 9 count. Scared me out. We have a 9 count on the ES. Scared me out. So I still think we're going to 95. I think we got a few more points to the downside on the ES. I might be able to get green. We get this bad boy to come down. I might be able to get green. That'd be a miracle if this happens. As long as that 350 algo doesn't wreck me. I hope they sell it. Mike Pryor, I need him to sell it. Sell it. SPX at least 74.95. Should push this down a little bit where I can. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Woo! Back in the green. Not by much, though. Oh, my goodness. Back in the green. And I get to be out before the 350 algo. Woo! Man, that's a rough day. All right, let's go look at the SPX. Did we hit 95? We hit 96.5. 96.5, so we're about a half point away. Yeah, we're about a point away. A point to 6 ticks. Again, just look at this chart right here. Look at where the big strike price was, the gamma strike price right down here. And trying to get on the other edge of that purple. It might actually come down a little bit lower. I want to see, do we actually get the 95 print? I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to draw a horizontal line there so we can go back and look at it after the fact. All right, there we go. We'll come back and check in on it. That's kind of one of my driving forces for thinking the NASDAQ would come down a little bit too. Took a little scalp on the ES. What? Ask for verification again, put in your ID and face. Now it says denied. Oh, man. What's up with that, Paul? I definitely contact support. That is... something's jacked up. Then get that resolved. All right, let's go see. Did we hit that 95? Not yet. We hit... 96 and a quarter-ish. Let's see. 96.35. Still think we're going to hit that 95. You're back again after a few burn counts. I really don't want to be in for the 350 algo. Hey, so give it a second. I'm going to go get a drink because we are going to do the market analysis after the streams, after 4 o'clock. I'm going to run through the market analysis for... what I'll be looking for tonight and early tomorrow morning. So I'm going to put my assistant on for a minute. So give me a second. I'll be right back. Just a few moments. All right, I'm back. What did I miss? Anything? Let's see. Where's... Bam. Let's go see. What did I miss? Did we hit it yet? Dang it. We didn't hit it yet. Did not hit it yet. Trapped them all. Let's see. We got 350 algo coming up in 9 minutes. So I think we want a little bit lower on the S&P. Yeah, 350 algo coming up. JD says, I got no respect. Sometimes. Interesting. What do you guys think? 350 algo, up or down? What do you guys think? Up or down for the 350 algo? Little squeeze up, little squeeze down. Which way are we gonna go? Watch it be a dud. Watch it be a dud. T-Cube says up. Up a lot. Oh boy, you got everyone saying up. Uh-oh. Is everybody gonna be on the wrong side? Maybe not. Up for window dressing? Yeah, I can see that. What if we spike down first? All right, we still have not hit that level I was talking about in SPX. Came close. We were, what, roughly a point away? That's pretty darn close. I still think we're going down there to get it. We got 7 minutes for the 350 algo. Let's see. I do have a few micros on too. Think about peeling some of these off. Let me reduce this for the 350 algo. Just reduce. Yeah, reduce. I cut it in half for the 350 algo. So let's hope I don't regret not taking them all off. Let's hope I don't regret it. We still haven't hit that 95 yet. Maybe the 350 algo spikes the 95 and then we rock it up, or maybe we just rock it up. Hope we don't rock it up too much. Actually, I'll just rocket talk. I'm gonna take one more off. I reduced it by one more. So take one more micro off. So I'm down to 4. Just in case. All right, here I'm trying to rip it. We got about 5 minutes. Now, I'm gonna be mad if we flush down, but dang it, I should have held on to him. And look, we're not that far away from high of the day right there. Right there at it. All right, trying to come back down. We got 5 minutes. Come on down. Come on down. So let me get back for the power hour session. I think I started the session up 190. Went down 1,100 bucks. Back up to 111. What was that? 3 times I went green to red today. Too much. Let's just see if we hit it. Nope, not yet. Not yet. But the commissions hurt. A butterfly. So my favorite option strategy is either selling puts. And if it gets put to me, that's fine. I'll turn it into selling cover calls, buy a long-term put to protect it. Or just sell vertical spreads. Credit spreads, whatever you want to call them. All right, we're at 350 algo here in about 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's see. Gonna get this bad boy rocking and rolling. I never really liked counter spreads. Never really liked them. I don't know why. I placed a few counter spreads back in the day, but I didn't really like it. Did not like. You can make more in a counter spread than a vertical spread, but just don't like it. Come on, smack it. Bam, bam, bam. 350 algo in a minute and 50 seconds. Yeah, Raj, I used to like anywhere between 30 and 40 day options for the vertical spreads. So when I sell vertical spreads, I want higher VIX. This is what I want. Same thing with puts when I sell puts. I want higher VIX. Because then just if you get volatility crush, boom, you make your money a lot quicker. Just have the market go sideways. Or the market can go towards your position, just not fast. You make money. Or if it goes away from your position, you make money even quicker. So. I've never traded options on futures though, which is kind of weird. I'm surprised I never did. Never did it. All right, we're coming up on 350 algo. Be careful. Watch it be a dud. Beep. So 350 algo coming up in about 35 seconds. I'm taking one more micro off. I got scared. I just took one more micro off down to 3. Just in case. All right, here we go. Let's see. 350 algo up or down. What's it going to be? Oh, we got initial little spiky spike down. Let's see. Are we going to be able to print that target? Come on, hit 95. Hit it. I'm going to peel off my other 2 contracts. All right, I'm out. I'm out of the micros. Close them all out. Woo! I was up like 190 when we started the session. Up 235, 40 bucks. Now we're going to drop. You son of a biscuit. Hey, look, we're about to hit that level. We talked about this. When we're up here, I talked about that 95 level. Look at the options data. You can see it right here. You can see all the delta or all the gamma that was built out right here. We have that big red area for the charm pressure. So they got it. Kind of curious. So if we look at the market on closed orders, let's go look real quick. I don't tell me, I don't know what's up with the time there, but so 434 million to the buy side on the S&P. Wow, NASDAQ 932 million sell side. I don't think that's moving. Dow 1100 or 1.1 billion to the buy side. Oh boy. Oh boy. So basically I'm right down to that level and I get a little bouncy bounce now. No, hey, it was 1.1 billion on the Dow. NASDAQ's 829 million right now. Moved a little bit. That's crazy. Everybody closing out their long trades on the NASDAQ. But NASDAQ's now down to 556 million sell orders, where the Dow is 1.2 billion with the B. So that's pretty nuts. No, a billion buy on the Dow, 1.2 billion to the buy side. That's a lot. That's craziness. So we got about 7 minutes until the market closes, and look at that 600 on the NASDAQ. It's still there. That big order on the NASDAQ still there. We never hit it today. I'll try and rip it back up. Yeah, look at that ripping right back up. Woo. Yeah, we're gonna take out. Hey, we're about to take out session highs on the NASDAQ. Oh my, oh my. These are getting it. Still have not hit that 600 strike price up there. Still never got it. Not yet, anyways. Still time. $600 on the cards. We might get it. They're trying. These are trying. Let's see if they do. Push up to the high. I don't know. Let's see if we can get the push. Come on, push it. Push it. Up. Push it up. Let's be a little bit more clear here. You dang it. I was trying to push, get a little bit more green. Yeah, it didn't happen. So I got that 600 strike price over here. Right there. We have not taken it out yet. So maybe coming right up to a closing bell. Ding, 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 bink. We hit it. But we'll see. Get one more shot. Did they squeeze it going to a close? Or do I in red? Come on. Come on, Joker. Just get it. Just get it. Bears sound smart. Bulls make money. Yes, market has not been kind to the Bears. My problem today, I got on the sell side. And I wanted to be long today. That's the funny part about it. I wanted to be long. And I don't know what, I don't know what took over me today. So I got about 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. Come on, let's push it. Push it. Push it real good. Please. Dang it. Joker. Oh, you mother sucker. You sons of a gun. That stinks. I was trying to push it. I was up. I could have got back where I lost on the other one. I'm probably going to end in the red. Again, small red day. Usually I have a real big red day or a small red day if it's going to be red. So. I'm not done. Dang it. Nice little rip down. Wow. Wow. Big trade detector bubble down there too. You son of a biscuit. All that fight to get it back only to F it up. Should try to get back, maybe back towards 540. Dang it. I got Bookmap data error. I'm gonna close out Bookmap now. Let's see if we're going to get it. 540-ish. Can we get up there? Yeah, first decent dip of the whole day. I do want to go look. Can't take my eyes off it though. Come on. We're going to go over the market analysis here in a moment once I'm out of this trade. We didn't quite make it down to that zone yet either. That will be a point of interest tonight. Oh boy, am I going to get back green? Green to red 4 times today. Come on. Joker. Please? Pretty please. Ah, dang it, Paul. Hey, Paul, I tried to get cute with it. Try to get a little bit more green. The market, bam, smacked me. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Come on, just go up there and get my target. Please. 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 All right, I'm back in the green. Ow. So we went green to red 4 times today. Back in the green. All right, I'm done. I'm done trading for the day. All right, let's go over some of the levels and stuff that I'm going to want to pay attention to tonight and tomorrow. So if you guys want to hang around, you guys can always go back and watch the end of this video as well, or the end of the stream. Let's take a look at what we have going on. First, let's go look at, let's come over here real quick. What do we got going on? Let's go look at the dollar index. What's the dollar doing? And we got to be careful because Japan has already been intervening in the yen. What happens if they do that at night in Asia? Could see some big moves in Asia if indeed Japan comes back to intervene again, because we look at the dollar yen, it's still going up. So I've seen this in the past. One intervention, it dips down, they go up. They do it again, it dips down, goes up, and then they pull out the bazooka and watch out. Watch out. Yeah, watch the Cosby tonight as well. I agree with that. If we look at 10-year yield, 10-year yield, what do we got going on there? Yeah, that's not good. That's not good. 10-year yield, big, strong push up today. Not good. We look at CL. CL's basing down here. Is it getting ready for a little poppy pop? I do want to see something real quick. Let's go look at, let me do this. Let's go look real quick. So if we look at the SPY, a lot of people are going to be looking at this. Hey, look, we're not that far from all-time highs. Are we about to go back and bust it and take out the all-time highs? All right, pretty good wick right here off this anchored VWAP. We've pushed up the last, 3 days now from there. 2 days after that, should I say. We filled this gap. But look, if we start to turn, here's a high, lower high, potentially lower high. Now, if we get above here, all bets are off. We're going to all-time highs. Pretty much almost guaranteed. Nothing's guaranteed, but almost guaranteed we'll go to all-time highs. No guarantee we'll make any money on the move, but pretty good shot that we go back to all-time highs. We do have this whole minus development area within the profiles. So 726 down to about 710. And just for fun, let's go look at the gamma levels real quick for the SPY. I'm going to put this over here. Want the SPY. So if you look right here, we have a lot of gamma right here, right around that 750 strike price. Right there. I want to actually see if we rewind. How did it, was it there the whole entire day? So you can see how it changed. Here's at 9:35 in the morning. We have a decent gamma down here. Then watch how the gamma actually changed throughout the day. From about 10 o'clock on, that 750 strike price built out quite a bit. All right, so let's go back and look. Where do we close at? We closed at 746. So 750 is still above us. What was the high today? The high today was up here at 748. So a little bit more to the upside, even above that. And then we'll see as we come into it, do we get a rejection from that gamma level? Do they defend it and they push it back down? Or do we accept it? If we accept it, what I want to watch out for tomorrow is, do we see the other strike prices start to build out? If so, those will act as a magnet for a potential target. Just like we talked about when I was looking at spot gamma, we're looking right here earlier. Watch, we can go back and rewind the tape. Here's the gamma that I was talking about earlier. I thought we were coming back to. You can see the strike price, 74.95. That's why I thought we were going down there, and we're in that red. We're probably going to push down below it. We want to be on the lookout tomorrow as well. Do we see that gamma really start to build out or not? Now, on the 30-minute chart, what do we have going on here? MACD indicator is looking a little bit tired. All right, so if we look at this, MACD indicator looks like it wants to have a bearish cross way above the zero line. And if we are going to get that bearish cross, look at today's profile shape. P as in Paul. So we start breaking below this distribution area, 746. It's going to open the door to really exploring the lower third of the range around 742. So we most certainly want to be on the lookout for that as well. Now, if we look at the futures markets, what do we have over here? Let's go back here and look. Look at the 4 hour for the S&P. Well, look right here, kind of a doji-ish looking candle. Wick on the top, wick on the bottom. We're above the developing value area high at the moment. And I want to do something real quick. Let's pull a fib from here down to there. Right around that 786. You know, if we start accepting price above 75.48, we're probably going all the way back up towards that swing point over here. So we got to be mindful of that. Then we look over here on the 30-minute volume profiles. Look, there's that zone we drew out earlier on the stream. Look right where we wicked down to today. That last little flush down took us right to that zone. You see, we kind of built out that distribution area, which you don't see it now. But before we had this, if I were to, let's do this real quick. I'll show you. So watch, I'm going to get rid of this volume profile. And let's just draw it out real quick. We're going to manually draw it out so you guys can see where that minus development area was when we drew it out on the live stream. So you guys can start doing this for yourself too when I'm not around. It's right here. So start of the day. Right about here is where we had it. Look, right there, that zone right there came right there from that minus development area of the profile. And look, that's exactly where the market came back down towards. That's why it's very important to map out the minus development areas, low volume nodes, high volume nodes within the profile. Very, very important. So now if we flush below that tomorrow, where do you think the next target is? Well, we have value area low at 75.24.5. Below that, we have another minus development area, which I was targeting this morning and wasn't working out too good for me. Was not working out in my favor. So that would be a point of interest. Most certainly want to pay attention to. And keep in mind, we did not hit the P point today. So tonight, when we get the new P points out, we're going to have to wait and see, you know, where's the new P point come in for today? Well, we can kind of map this out. If we look at we'll get the calculator, we'll calculate where it's going to be. And then we'll draw a line just to see. Let me see calculator. All right. So the low of the day is going to be right here at 81.75. So 74, 81, 81.75. We're going to add that to the high of the day, which was 74.67 3/4. Then, well, the closing price, we don't know yet. It's not 5 o'clock, but we can get a good rough estimate. We'll be within the ballpark. Plus, we'll go 75.48 equals divided by 3. So look, the P point for tomorrow is going to be right around 74.99, which look, is going to be all the way down here. That would be enough to come down and hit the minus development area, hit value area low. So that's going to be interesting for tomorrow to see how that shakes out. Now, if we come over and we look at QQQs, what do we have over here? Qs on the daily. All right, we did not make it. We did not make a new high, but you know, we can kind of draw this out like this too. Oops. All right. Like this. Kind of a little triangle forming right there. So do we come back down and let this wind up a little bit tighter before we get a breakdown or a big break up? Possibly. That's what I'm going to be on the lookout for. Let's pay very close attention to that moving forward. For sure. Let me come over and look at the 30-minute chart real quick. What do we got going on over here? Hey, yes, it's trying to come down right now. Yes, it's trying to come down and take out the lows. Same with the NASDAQ. See a little bit of weakness here. We had a P as in Paul shaped profile. So look, tomorrow, if we're trading below 735, expect the lower third of the range to come back and start getting retested. 729-ish, 728, somewhere in that ballpark. MACD indicator, just like we talked about with the S&P. Look, looking a little bit weak. Lines look like they want to cross at any moment. So we'll see. Now let's go look at the futures market. All right. Look at this last 4-hour candle right here. Not really looking the most bullish. We have a nice little wick on top. Look how thin this profile is. We have several minus development areas to pay attention to. These could be high probability targets for tonight. The first one is going to be right down here at about 30,458. Then right near value area high, 30,259 3/4. I'll look at the QQQ gamma levels here in a moment. I know I forgot those. And look, we also have that low volume node on the weekly profile is also in line with the minus development area we identified this afternoon as well, which we have not come back down towards. So be on the lookout for that as well. 30,455 to about 30,442. Next one will be down here about 30,278 to 30,257. Now note, if we're trading above value area high, 599, I want to hold my nose and see, can we continue to go higher? And higher would look like the swing points. Actually, higher would be right back over in this distribution area of the profile. So 667 to about 550. We breached that. We're probably going all the way back up towards the swing point up here. I want to map this out too, or zone this out real quick. Candle wick to the candle body, something like that. So 935 to about 968. So be on the lookout for that. Now, daily profiles, what do we have over here? Oh, we already talked about that. All right, let's go look at the gamma levels real quick for QQQs. What do we have over here? Live the trade another day. So look right here, right around 740, a lot of gamma to the upside on the NASDAQ. If you look at where we closed at 736. The high today was somewhere around 737. So tomorrow I want to be on the lookout. Does this gamma stay up here? And do they defend it? Do we come up there and then they reject back down? Because we do have some gamma down here around 700 too. So I want to be on the lookout tomorrow. How do we handle that 740-ish strike price? If we can accept price above it, watch out. We're probably going substantially higher. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. I'm going to go run, get some dinner, reboot my platform, get ready for tonight. Hopefully tonight and tomorrow is much easier than what I had today. So I do want to thank everybody for coming out this afternoon. I will be streaming tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. So if you guys want to join me, don't forget to jump on over and smash the like button, all that fun stuff. So with that being said, I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you guys do trade with prop firms, don't forget to use code Mike at checkout. All right, guys, with that being said, take care. See you tomorrow.